you explain what you did to your coffee there,
Yeah,
son?
it's on
What am I
video.
supposed to do?
It's on video.
Tell us what you did to your coffee. That explains it all.
What is
And this, and this,
for people of Perkins?
and this, and all these, and some of this, and this,
Drink it.
and that.
I'm not drinking it now. I'm not. Oh.
Drink it, drink it. I'll pay for your meal, and I'll pick up the tip.
I mean, you already are paying for the meal.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm not drinking.
I'll give you the change I have left after you drink.
Cute.
You're cute.
We're gonna do it.
Just take
Just
a
do
drink.
it.
This is a little
Oh, I have to
sippy.
record it.
You really don't have to.
Okay.
Do
I was
it.
going to. Oh, fine, I will.
I feel like I just made out with you.
You want coffee, Elaine? No, I want
I'm
coffee
scared to
really
drink it.
badly.
Hope Garrett watches this, so he knows it. So you have to say the next thing.
That's not Garrett. That's Mac.
Let's tell Garrett to
Facebook.
come here.
Hope you die,
We
Garrett.
can let him have the. We can let him
Fuck
have the
off.
coffee.
No, you're cute.
Let's do it. Let's tell him to come
Why
here and
would-
say we got you coffee.
Garrett has a Facebook. He's gonna hear all this.
Put some ketchup in there too.
Let's tell Garrett to come here so he can drink it.
I'll even sit with Ian. So he's next to you.
Should we?
You
Should we?
want to do it now, do you?